you, good sir.
Pizza, my motorcycle.
Yeah, man. I just got it. Oh, fuck! Oh. Alright, tomahawk pizza.
Now, what are you doing?
Oh, God! Got him!
Can't wait till I get stuck in the dirt one of these days.
Oh!
Oh, that was sweet.
Yeah!
Dude, you go so sideways. Alright, let's go down this dirt thing again. Alright, here you go.
No, 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 no! Oh, shit! I forgot I was still on dirt. Dude, that was way too sideways for me. Dude, your bike's a little muddy.
Yeah?
We should probably wash it.
That might be why. Yeah, do you want to go wash our bikes?
Yeah, dude.
You should ask this guy on the motorcycle behind us.
You want a slice of pizza? No? No? You didn't want it. It's so delicious though.
Car wash is coming up here on the left. Oh yes.
At the car wash.
It looks beautiful. Alright, so how do we do this? It looks like it's gonna be...
Oh, you're missing. Oh god.
How do you get those spinny things?
I feel like we need to go to one that's no touch.
No, I thought we were gonna go through here.
No. They have no touch ones.
Let me check this out real quick. What's the no touch?
It just sprays you with like soap. That way we don't die. Like
That's not interesting. I wanna risk being sucked into one of these things. Yeah, dude, these look soft and friendly. I think we can do it.
Alright. Do you want to go two at once?
Yeah, I think so. I'm scared. I've never been through a car wash, so I have no idea what this can do. There's the emergency shutoff right there, it looks like. If shit starts really hitting the fan, and I still have my limbs, I'm gonna run over here. I'm just gonna turn that off.
Beautiful. Let's see.
Just the express?
We do foam bath, soft foam wash, no dry. We don't need to dry.
Nah. Does this thing even work? This place looks like a piece of shit car wash. It says new car wash, now open. And it's like peeling off.
Yeah. I say we just see what happens.
Alright, we put in $5, $6, see $3 each?
Yeah, all I have is a 20 though.
Oh shit, okay.
Is that fine?
I don't even know if I have enough bills.
That guy's staring at us.
I don't even have enough bills, dude.
Shit.
Do you want to do your 20 and then I can give you change? Actually, it doesn't accept 20. It only accepts 1s, 5s, and 10s.
I have a 10.
Okay, perfect.
Get in there.
Oh, and then here's my $3 that I owe you.
Oh, sweet.
Please select your route package now.
We're doing the deluxe.
We're going deluxe, dude.
Wow. Oh, wow, we won the jackpot! We won!
No!
Dude, that's so much
The
change.
box is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the
This is useless. I don't even want this.
Wait, we may now. Oh shit, it's about to start.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh, my phone's in my pocket.
It's okay.
Oh my, I'm actually shaking, dude. I'm terrified. Oh, it says drive ahead. Do you think we're even gonna like make it recognize the sensor?
There's two of us, dude, sure.
Oh god.
I'm gonna turn my bike on just in case.
Yeah.
We gotta speed out of here.
Dude, this might be our worst idea ever.
Or best. I say best. You gotta give me a little room.
Sorry. Alright, it's saying to drive ahead. I'm gonna close up my visor so I don't get too much. Oh!
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
Oh!
Back up, you gotta back up, you gotta back up.
Okay, I'm backing up. Oh, okay.
You stop?
Yep, I stopped.
Oh god.
Ah, it's moving! Oh, it moves throughout this whole thing.
It's a trap!
Oh my gosh! Dude, back up! No! Dude, back up! Hey, back up!
No!
Oh! Back up! Dude!
I got
Go!
back.
Oh my god! Oh shit!
Alright, go ahead.
Go ahead. Oh my gosh. I didn't even get touched by it.
What's happening?
What's about to happen? Oh, my heart's pounding. Hi. This guy's just watching us.
Is that it?
Was that it? I think that might have been it.
What is this? Wait, I think you got back up.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got back
This
up.
is. I think that was it, man.
No, there was no soap or anything. Is that really it? Dude, it got like nothing.
It said it promised it would dry me. I'm fucking soaked, dude.
That is some bullshit.
Dude, I was so scared, like, I couldn't back up or I would hit your bike. And the thing is, just getting closer, and it's like, it's just this massive whirlwind of fucking rubber.
Dude, I was laughing so hard.
Were you even scared at all?
Yeah, I was a little scared.
I was genuinely worried. Oh my god. I actually didn't get as low as I thought.
Dude, it only got the front half of the bike. Bullshit. It's a ripoff.
Oh. Dude, I feel great now, don't you? I feel so clean.
I feel like I just wasted $6.
Man, that's just you. I feel so fresh, so clean, so ready to take on the world. Do some wheelies. If this car would move in front of me. Whoa!
What the fuck are you doing?
Are they on their phone? What the fuck?
He's just old. Dad, hit old people.